You must properly prepare your skin for the application. To remove dirt and oils, thoroughly cleanse your skin with a gentle facial wash product. Dab your face dry with a clean towel. Moisturizers soften and hydrate your skin. Evenly spread a pea-sized amount of moisturizer over the contours of your face. Allow the moisturizer to dry for approximately 5 minutes. Primer is formulated to provide a smooth base for foundation, combat shine, and keep your makeup in place throughout the day. Dab a pea-sized amount of primer onto your fingertip. Dab the primer along your cheekbones, above your brows, and along the bridge of your nose. Uneven skin tone is caused by hyperpigmentation. Uneven skin tone is characterized by isolated dark spots, blotches, and freckles. Foundation is designed to even out the areas of your complexion that are overly pigmented, red, or contain imperfections. Concealer is meant to cover the problem areas that your foundation could not even out. Use a brush to apply a sparse amount of concealer to blemishes and around the edges of your nose. Apply a generous amount of concealer under your eyes to mask dark circles. Powders help to combat oil and set your foundation. You may use a translucent powder or a tinted powder that perfectly matches your skin tone. Apply the powder to your face with a large brush. When striving for a natural look, opt for blush over bronzer. Choose a blush that is subtle, soft, and as close to your natural flush as possible. Apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks. Blend the product until it subtly falls where your natural flush occurs. Keep your eye makeup simple and clean. Prior to applying mascara, curl your lashes. Complete your simple look with a lipstick and/or gloss that intensifies the natural pigment of your lips.